Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can add music to your Facebook story. So as you guys can see, this story has a music. So I will show you how you guys can exactly get this kind of story. So let's move on with today's video. First thing, you want to create a story. So I will click on create a story at the top left. Once I'm over here, I'm just going to create a random story to show you guys how to add the music, alright? So I'm just going to click a random photo over here. And once I click the photo, it's going to show me this. And at the bottom you can see for you. So this is basically all the music Facebook is suggesting me. And if I want to use any music from this bar, I can just click on one of them and it's going to automatically be added over here. But let's say I don't like this music. I want to search for music myself. So what I'm going to do is at the top right corner, you can see the third option where it says music. You want to click on that. Once you click on that, you can see the search bar. You can click on the search bar and search for music. So I'm just going to search for Billie, B-I-L-L-I-E, Billie. So that's the singer's name. You can also search by the singer's name or the music, alright? Once you search for it, as you guys can see, Billie Eilish song is being displayed, the first one. I like the first one where it says what was I made for. So in order to add this music on my story, I can just click on it and it's going to be automatically added over here just like this, as you guys can see. Now what I can do is just click on share at the bottom and this story is going to be shared along with the music which I just added in it. So that's how you guys can add music to your Facebook story. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I will see you guys next time.